I heard Staths head coach, Coach Phillip Williams. Unfortunately, losing to the coach,
Yeah.
but an outstanding performance. Speak to us about what you thought about your team's performance today.
It was a solid performance versus a good team. We were a little bit pensive how we will approach the game in terms of our depth, knowing that the Manning Cup final is just around the corner. So we took a gamble and played our strongest team, starting our strongest team. And I mean, the guys managed themselves out there today. We came out not too fatigued, sorry, and without any added injuries, which was one of our fear. And it's just about looking forward to the Manning Cup final right now.
Alright, coach, conceding an early goal against the runner play. Speak to us about what was going to your mind after conceding that goal.
I mean, it's a part of the game. As a coach, you have to stay calm because the guys feed off your energy. We know that we have a goal within us, or two, and it was only a matter of time. We just need to stick to what we are doing, what is working, and be patient, and the goal will come.
Yet another stand-up performance by another player that many will not know, Saman, the number 12. Speak to us about his impact today, managing to really play well in the forward position and scoring an amazing goal.
I mean, he may be one of the better number 9 in Manning Cup in terms of his hold-up play and in terms of his close touch and skills. So yes, he's one for the future.
Xavier Gooden, unfortunately missing the penalty, but throughout the game was completely outstanding. What do you say to a youngster after playing such a good game and then unfortunately missing the all-important penalty?
I mean, the game is his best teacher, and he just need to learn from what happened here. Take the good, which is that he had an excellent game defending, and just let the negativity of losing or missing the penalty go by. Doesn't have to dwell on it.
Coach, were you worried any at all when Jamaica College in about minute 60 brought on the likes of Wilson, Zimenez, Aldrich, etc. Did that worry you in any way?
Definitely. Those guys are class players who have done win Manning Cup before, and some of them representing the national team. So definitely you have to have concern and how you're gonna deal with the threat that they will pose. Fresh leg with a lot of talent, and I think the guys did well.
And two more questions. The goalkeeper that came on, Marsh, is bigger and covers more of the goal. We know that Jaheim Williams suffered with a stomach injury, but would that substitution have been made had Jaheim Williams not been injured or not been hurt?
I've never done that, putting a keeper for a specific reason, such as a penalty shootout. Jaheim Williams was really sick. He was sick before the game, and he did a good job. He held out as long as he could.
And that was the question I was going to ask you, to speak about Jaheim Williams' game. Another outstanding performance, coach. How does it feel to know you have such a good goalkeeper that you can constantly rely on to make big saves in big games?
The question should be how do I feel to have such a talented bunch of youngsters. I mean, it's a good look for the program at Staths, for them to be this young and doing so well at the under 19 level. And it is something that we just need to build on. Protect them as coaches and as managers to see how best we can push them in the national program or even beyond.
All right, coach, thank you so much again and good luck next week.
Yeah, man, you're welcome and thanks.